Old photographs on the wooden floor. I don't hear your footsteps anymore. The tea is cold, the room is still. I'm watching the sunset over the hill. I'm tracing shadows in the afternoon light between the golden day and the coming night. A vintage memory in a modern world, a story of love that slowly unfurled. The clock on the wall is ticking slow, counting the hours since you had to go. Empty spaces where you used to stand, like a castle built upon the sand. I'm tracing shadows in the afternoon light between the golden day and the coming night. A vintage memory in a modern world, a story of love that slowly unfurled. Maybe the rain will wash away the pain, or maybe the melody is all that remains. Black and white dreams in a world of gray. I'll find my way back to you someday. Tracing shadows, slowly fading until I see you again. The city sleeps in black and white beneath the velvet cloak of night. I'm walking down the cobblestone, but I don't feel like I'm alone, because it's only you, my darling. tea is cold, the room is still, but I'm looking over that green hill. Oh, it's just you in every dream, flowing down a silver stream, a vintage heart, a faded line, wishing you were still mine. Maybe the wind will tell me why, underneath the midnight sky, every record that I play brings back the words we used to say. Just you in the moonlight until the morning The whistle blows, the engine sighs. I see the reflection in your eyes. A world of color fading fast into the shadows of our past. But there's a silver lining in every frame. Every time I whisper your sweet name, a vintage dream in a restless sea. The way we used to, the way we'll be. The platform's empty, the tracks are long. I'm humming our favorite old time song, though the picture's blurred and the edges frayed. The promise of us will never fade, but there's a silver lining in every frame. Every time I whisper your sweet name, a vintage dream in a restless